Good morning, everybody. Greet you now. It's one morning. You fall out for bed. They provoke. I don't sleep well. 60 years old woman. 60 years old woman. I repeat again. 60 years old woman. You begin on social media. They describe how they take the fuck. A woman. They want to the fuck man. 60 years old woman. You don't marry. He picking. Whether I don't born, I never know. He picking go see video watch. He picking, they will see video watch. His family go see video watch. Concerning Crown Ugochi. Crown Ugochi, your country show media with Kokumba. Big Kokumba, they describe how woman go tell the fucking man. I will tell the put time, go tell the wait till they happen. You know, go happen star. For they talk all these 50s, 60s, hold women, where come Europe, we no know themselves. The money wey be say they're supposed to get the put for his house, put for their house, make they big. They know how to take subscribe for social media. Take the come, they talk no sense. They know the shame. They pay me 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s. Ladies will come abroad that year. With early age, I felt they talk 15 go reach 20 with early age. They never reach 27. Nobody say they 20 years will come Europe that year. Where they 20 years come Europe now for 15 to 17. Yeah, they come abroad 15 to 17 that year. Maybe say abroad never develop enter our body. They all come Europe. They don't spend. Some people don't spend more than 20 years, 30 years. They never see get the mentality of education, even though you no go school. You don't take for abroad. Still get the mentality. You feel the sabi the right and read. If you not go school, you dey for abroad for how many years? 30 years. Person mama your boss ass fall out for social media, carry Kokumba. Not be the one way Tasha baby TV do. That one carry Kokumba. They do wait till they happen. You know go happen star. Mo go kill all of una. I don't know when they pay me pass. I don't know why I say social media. You come, you be like waiting for the cook, afternoon food, evening food, morning food. Wait till they happen. Wait till they happen. I don't know why I say Facebook no they sit down. Facebook no fit block her. No they block all this kind of nonsense thing. How madams go you come out they talk nonsense for social media. Carry Kokumba they describe. You better go Apple Star. Go Apple Star. Go give you money. Not be waiting like if not me I go Apple Star. I go art. You add the porn star, you carry your picture come out where they put for the porn star, your banner come out, you go to show people say, see what you art. This is good, people will follow you. For you to your come out, go your call your social media, call it disgrace yourself. 60 years old woman. Think about your life. Think about your life. I beg when I share this video, may reach his side. When I share that may reach his side. Which kind of this thing be this one? I don't understand. At the verse, so at the verse, I saw this thing for social media. At the verse what our ladies maybe say he come abroad for 60s. He call the social media, call the zoo. But the younger ones not fit do. The younger one they do different. The other one they call social media. Carry live video, they do live video, they check hands, they show their beat, they show their nyash. Now be their own. Don't ever say Oyibo go do that live video. Oyibo go do that live video, go pull live video, go they come social media, go they check hands. Now our Nigeria guests are now for the scene. It's not good. Mona change. Idiot people.
We show you guys how to whine, how you take sit down on top of pussy, on top of dick. You dance, somebody you come better boom. You understand? That means you don't enter. We go fuck am. And I've teach you guys the other day. If you want to suck your man, if you want to really suck your man, don't hold your man like this. It's a local hold. Don't hold your husband dick like this. Don't hold it the way my hand be. Always hold it sexy. This is sexy hold. You see? He will hold it like say he dey play guitar. That is how people hold the dick. When you want to hold your husband's dick, you hold it sexy. See my hand? You will hold it sexy. You see? He will hold it sexy. In Africa, Papa sexy, man. So when you hold it sexy, then you draw it. I know so many men now, when their wife they provoke, and wife, your husband they provoke you. I beg, make una gather here and settle with una own case. Make una come here and settle. Not be every woman go like, they go say, I can't do that with that stupid man. I beg, don't call him stupid man. Now you keep you at home, they give you food. Oh. I beg. If you are a man, don't insult her. Say that stupid girl, that stupid woman I put in my house, I cannot suck her pussy. She dey crazy. She said I go don't do that. Oh, bring her here and suck it. Oh, bring your wife here and look me and the settlement go just settle. Una go just settle na here. Yes, so my dear. So this is how it's supposed to. If you dey hold your husband dick, my dear, don't hold it the way I hold am now. Upper local hold it though. You hold it like this, it's so local. Hold it sexy. Now for where you hold am sex like this. You go put am here, kwano. You go use am here. You come down here, you go put am. You go take and slap yourself. You slap am here again. You do am like this. You take and come down. Do you understand? I enjoy your show because I don't give the word chance. Oh, thank you, darling. So when you hold your husband like this, look at my hand. You go hold it sexy. You know, sex. Sometimes if your husband come back from work, look at what he's supposed to do. You go carry that abamu. You go bring that his abampuramo, that is dick. You will bring it. Put oil. This thing is not oil anyway. But I'm not going to eat this thing again because I want to put this thing as an oil. I want to teach you guys. This is hand sanitizer. So I have to do it like this. You see, guys, I'm coming on. You see, then as you put this oil in now, you're supposed to, let me say, I take this in form of oil. You do it like this. You see, then you use it. You see, you go then massage the dick without without fucking. You go then massage and look at me. You go then massage them. Some men they always get apampura with apampura aquara. I don't know whether you guys know what is calling aquara. Aquara means aquara. No, they don't hold it well. They hold it like this, sexy. If you want your husband to enjoy you, hold your husband sexy like this. The way I'm doing it. Hold on. If your husband said go even surprised, you go say, my wife, why are you holding me like this? I said, go teach you. Hold it sex like this. When you hold her, you go the massage am. See am, you go the massage am. You go take your hand, they straight the bampuramo. All this aquara. There is some aquara. You go take your hand. What is aquara? Aquara is vein. There is a lot of vein in some men's bampuramo. Then you have to use your hand with this. You go to stretch the bampuramo. You go to stretch all this. You see, let me show you guys. All this, many men have it in their blockers. Then you will bring it and use your hand. Be stretching it. You go massage your husband dick now. Yes, so but if you tell them, some people go to verse, you go there very happy, side they teach you. Nobody will teach you. When you carry the oil you must go and buy it in pharmacy. Ask pharmacy people that you need oil, you will take massage your husband's dick. The oil, you can use it for your breast. Very, very good. It will make your breast look fresh. You will use it like this. You put this in a hand sanitizer. It's not oil. You will press it again like this, as in oil. For example, then you use it. You go the massage them. You see them. You go the massage them. You go use your hand. They stretch all the whole veins. Where do this? You go the massage. You go hold their pampuramo like this. You go touch their pampuramo. Draw it small, not too much, yo. And when you are massaging vein, I know it's not a vein. But when you dey massage your pampuramo, the husband blockers, my dear, don't go fix hand. That fix, I don't like it because it rotates me. And the feel say that you go there inside to put something for my mouth because sometimes I love to use hand and eat. So I don't like using. I hate nails, but now they fit ladies very fine. I like it too. I did not say don't fix it. You are free to do whatever you want to do. But whenever you want to massage, make sure that finger is not there, so that you will not enjoy your husband's pampuramo. So that vein, I'm calling it in Igbo language, aquara. So that aquara now, you have to put it like this. Look at me. You go use your hand. Do it sexy the way I am doing. If you are with your husband right now, bring out his dick. Follow my instruction. What I'm doing. Continue with me. Then you put your hand. As I'm doing now, oh yeah, continue with me. You go use your hand. You go to stretch your husband dick. Not be every time they fuck. Not be every time I'm gonna gonna dig in you. I'm not gonna sometimes when I go massage the dick. Sometimes when I go massage the dick very well with the hand, the man go sleep like a dumb baby. Not be every time I'm on him. Iwom, Ekia, inside Pekus. No. Sometimes he go do what? He go put all these things. He take a massage your husband. Before your husband, he go start to dey snore. Because he don't massage her.